This is Paul with Halo Car Lifts. Let's show you how you're going to be unloading your 2-post or our 4-post lifts. So you see here, our shipping crate, we've purposefully added a cross member here on the shipping crate. This allows you to be able to stick the forks through this section, allowing you to leverage the lift outside and out of the box truck. We highly recommend that you have a 2x4 or any piece of wood. That way, when you fork it long ways, you can put this towards the edge of the tip of your forks, allowing you to be able to leverage it a little bit easier, as well as not causing any unnecessary damage, whether it's on the post or the bottom of the runway. We do recommend that when you're lifting any of your lifts, that you do it slowly. This will avoid any bouncing of the lift, causing any unnecessary damage on the post or the runways. I'll show you how easy it is for you to be able to unload at your home or at your warehouse. This is where we recommend that you put that 2x4. You can jump in here, slide it towards the end of your forks. Again, this will help you with a little bit of leverage. Let's say you don't have a high capacity forklift. That will help you to lift up the back end. Since it is a longer item, you're gonna need that assistance. It'll also cause you to be able to avoid any damage on the runway or the post. You can see now, the lift is completely off the bed of the truck. This cross beam on the shipping crate allows you to leverage it. Now you're fully suspended. You can either back out or you can have the truck drive off. We recommend that you back out the lift slowly, placing it on the floor.